Swadike. Welcome in Thailand, Swadike. Welcome to Creative Chef. I am Chef JP Singh, Chef Jat Salid. We are at Le Méridien, Kochi for a Creative Chef. We are doing a Thai food festival in Le Méridien, Kochi, latest recipe restaurant from 23rd May to 1st June. Be there to taste the authentic Thai food. We have Chef Jat Salid, who is in India from Thailand for the food festival. He'll be teaching us how to make some authentic Thai dishes. Chef, is this your first time in India? First time in India. All right. So you're going to be in Kerala. I think Kerala people will be recognizing you. You can settle down in India now in Kerala. People would be loving you after all these dishes you're teaching them. What are we cooking today, chef?
Yam pak tao.
Yam pak tao.
Crispy vegetables with chili sauce.
Crispy vegetables with chili sauce. I think this is a kind of a salad, which is appetizer, which is had a warm salad, right? Okay. We are having crispy vegetable salad, which will be with sweet chili sauce. Not very spicy, not very sweet, but very nice. Chef, what do we have? Okay, we've got some mushrooms.
Yeah.
All right, we've got assorted vegetables. What are we going to do with all these vegetables?
Have boiling first.
Okay, so we boil the vegetables first. So should we start boiling them?
Yeah.
Okay, so we put it in boiling water so that the vegetables start boiling. We have broccoli, we have mushrooms, we have cauliflower, zucchini, carrots, capsicum. So we are adding all of that in the boiling water. All right. You can use any ingredients what you want, whatever is available at your house. Not essential that you got to have these vegetables only. These are the vegetables which are used for this dish.
Boil for 1 minute.
Okay. So we boil it for like 30 seconds, 1 minute so that it's cooked. But it's not raw, it should be crunchy though. Always remember, the more you cook, the more nutrients are lost from the dish. We are blanching them and then I think we'll be cooking that again, right? Okay. He is putting some cold water to make it cold. So that because it was from hot water. We take a bowl, we put the vegetables. Okay. Now we have corn flour. We'll be okay dusting it with corn flour. We are covering it with corn flour. We are not adding any water, right? No. Water is already there. The moisture is already there in the vegetables because it's just been cooked. So we have these vegetables which are just been marinated with corn flour. We have not added any salt. Do you want to add any salt in this? Not required. No salt required in this because I think the sauce will have the seasoning in it. And we have oil which is getting hot. That means we're going to be deep frying these vegetables. Alright. So once the oil gets hot, we will be adding these vegetables into the hot oil. The oil is hot already. So we are frying these vegetables. See this? The vegetables are getting fried. Crispy. Because we marinated with corn flour, coated it with corn flour, it's getting crispy. I think the vegetables are done. We will take them out. Now what are we going to do, chef? We will be taking these vegetables, removing excess oil. What we are adding now, chef?
Sweet chili sauce.
That is sweet chili sauce, which is from Thailand. You can get it in all the local grocery shops, imported grocery shops, which are there in the cities now. And this is ketchup, hot spicy ketchup. Very little bit, just 1 teaspoon. We will add some lemon, just half a teaspoon of the lemon. Toss it. Okay. So we have the bowl. We can put crispy vegetables. Okay, chef. We have our dish ready. What do we call this dish in Thailand?
We call yam pak tao.
Yam pak tao, crispy fried vegetables with sweet chili sauce and lemon. Wow, very nice. If you want to have this, please come over to latest recipe, Le Méridien. We're having a Thai food festival. Chef Jat Salid is here to cook you Thai authentic dishes. The food festival is from 23rd to 1st June. Creative Chef, thank you so much.